Alright guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes in Leeds and welcome to the video of this lovely Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX Performance Tourer. So this one is a 2021 on a 71 plate. It's only done 8,173 miles, and as you can see, it's a stunner. It's in a really nice colour scheme as well. The candy green with the black really does look cool. It's the newer shape one with a full colour TFT display. You also get cruise control on these now, quick shifter and auto blipper, adjustable ABS, adjustable traction control, your different power modes, lean angle sensitivity there, and they're brilliant. This one is the performance, so it's got the single Akrapovic carbon exhaust, which sounds ace, and it's also the Tourer as well, because it's got the quick release luggage as well. It's got the seat cowl, it's got the engine protection, and it's a stunner. They're a real popular bike of these, so if you do want to get it bought, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.